US President Joe Biden has signed the $1.9 trillion COVID-19 relief package into law a day earlier than planned and signaled an acceleration in the country's vaccination program, expecting the situation to return to normal in time for the July 4th holiday. Biden requested states in a televised address to allow all US adults to receive vaccine shots by May 1st, a target that supported previous statements about wanting all adults vaccinated by the end of that month. China's latest data showed strong improvements in industrial output, fixed asset investment, and retail sales in the first 2 months of 2021, underscoring the rebound of the world's second-largest economy from the COVID-19 pandemic. The National Bureau of Statistics, or NBS, reported that the country's industrial output rose 35.1% year-on-year to its biggest increase in decades from January to February, while fixed asset investment climbed 35% to $695 billion, and retail sales surged 33.8% in the same period. A third wave of COVID-19 is growing in Europe, with rising infections reported by Germany, France, Italy, and the Benelux countries. The Robert Koch Institute stated that new cases are increasing rapidly in Germany, while the countries of France and Italy's decision to suspend AstraZeneca vaccine's distribution due to possible serious side effects are not helping the situation. The Central Bank of Brazil, or BCB, lifted its benchmark interest rate and signaled another potential hike against the backdrop of worries over increasing prices in the country's economy, which had been affected by the new wave of COVID-19 infections. The BCB raised its key interest rate for the first time since July 2015 to 2.75% from an all-time low of 2% and was higher than the 2.5% expected by many economists. Oil prices fell for the fifth straight day on Thursday after government data showed US crude supplies were up for 4 consecutive weeks, while the coronavirus pandemic has dimmed demand outlook. Brent crude oil futures were down 1.06% to $67.28 per barrel, having dropped 0.6% on Wednesday, while the US West Texas Intermediate, or WTI crude futures, shed 0.99% to $63.96 per barrel after losing 0.3% in the previous session.